Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl. You got your girl, Purple. And baby Orlando's having a bottle. We are about to step out to our family party. Baby and Orlando and I are about an hour and a half behind the start time. I purposely want it to be an hour behind because my family is never on time. Yeah. I'm bringing 8 pounds of macaroni salad and 9 pounds of potato salad to the party, along with myself and baby Orlando. I think I'm gonna take the camera just to get a little bit of footage here and there. So be on the lookout. Oh, I was just gonna call y'all purple sprinkles. Did y'all hear that? OMG. OMG. Yeah. Whirlies, guess what? This wind is disrespectful out here. Plus, we're at the party and the music is bumping. You probably can kind of hear it now. And Orlando and I are in the car and we're about half a block away from where the party is. So I have to put him in the stroller and get him all ready and walk down the street with him. So I'm not gonna bring the camera because they're not gonna stop the music. And yeah, I'm not bringing the camera. Hi Whirlies, it's the next day. Orlando and I enjoyed his first family gathering. He was so excited and so in tune with the music and meeting all his family that he has not met yet, and just being outside, and he loved it. He even went to sleep with all of that music playing. He was able to go to sleep. I don't know how he did that, but he did twice. So today, Orlando and I are twinning. I'll show you the baby. We're actually on our way to the OD's house. I'm going over to bring Orlando's high chair that I ordered another one for my mom so that she can have it over there when she has the baby. Makes it easier for her. And if I was thinking, I would have had it delivered at her house so I didn't have to take it over there. But that also gives me a reason to see what she cooked. I'm bringing my dinner with me, but if her dinner is better than mine, I'm not going to eat mine. I'll just bring mine back home, put it in the refrigerator, and I'll eat it tomorrow. So let's go see what the OD cooked, and y'all can see the baby twinning with his mommy. Okay, Whirlies, the baby and I have made it back home. We went to the OD's house. I ate dinner over there. I brought my dinner, and then I added from my mom's dinner to my dinner. My mom cooked fried chicken, rice, and cabbage. I took some of her cabbage and added to my meal, which I cooked baked chicken, black beans, and rice. So yeah, and I didn't pick up the camera while I was over there. So the baby and I are back home, and we got an order from our friends at Temu. This is something that I purchased. This is nothing that they sent me. This is a purchase that I made. I believe it is some stuff I bought for Orlando, but I don't remember because I add things to my cart and then I take them out and then things sell out, and yeah, I'm on several websites doing that, so I kind of forget sometimes what I actually get. So if y'all want to know what's in the bag, like I want to know what's in the bag, stay tuned. Y'all see my baby? Y'all see my baby? Y'all see my baby? We twinning, we twinning. Okay, Whirlies, let's see if I can go through the Temu bag with Orlando in tow. I do believe I ordered a few things for him because, you know, Orlando's getting so big now. He's moving on to the next size, so I'm starting to get his wardrobe together for the next size. This is a onesie for my baby. This should be a 6 to 9 months because that's what I've been ordering for him. It says, party my crib 2 a.m. Bring a bottle. Which is definitely Orlando. Let's see what this one is. This looks like another onesie. Do y'all see how he just scooted it down like that? He likes to scoot out of my lap as if he can walk or something. Like, once you get down, Orlando, then what? You can't walk. Oh, I thought this was so cute, guys. I thought this was super cute. This may not work doing this with Orlando in my arms. Now he wants to grab it. You want to show the rollies what it says? No, that's not going to work either. So, and there it goes. He tried to grab the bag. So, this is a little onesie. It looks like a milk. And it says that he's empty. So, this is something that the milkman would definitely love. We call him the milkman because he's always trying to get a bottle. So let me put the baby down and see what else is in the bag. What, sweet cups? Okay, guys, I put Orlando down for a second so we can finish seeing what's in the bag. It may not work because he's in his little bouncer chair. Y'all hear it? That means he wants me to pick him up. So yeah, this is not gonna work. And this onesie says, I'm not spoiled. My grandma just loves me. So yeah, let me get my baby, y'all. Let me just get Orlando. This isn't gonna work. I have put the baby down for a nap. First I fed him and now I put him down for a nap. It's been about an hour since I paused this in real life. So let's finish seeing what's in the box or in the bag. And I do see a box in the bag. What's this? Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. I remember ordering this. This is a bottle spoon that I could put, you guys see that? I can put Orlando's baby food in here, inside of here, and kind of spoon it to him without the extra mess. But I'm trying to see how the heck it comes out of the spoon part. Oh, okay, that was the cover that's on it. So yeah, you put the baby food in here and then you kind of squeeze it into the spoon area and they're kind of eating and you're squeezing all in one. And then this is the cover for it. But baby Orlando doesn't make a big mess because he is about his food, and I thought he would be more of a messier eater. At this point he is not. Maybe once he gets the spoon to himself, he may be a little bit more messier. But I did see a second box like that, and I do believe I ordered 2 of them because you guys know I like to order 2 of certain things when I do order things. Yep, there are 2 of them. That is what's in this box as well. So we got 2 of those. I'll keep one here at my house and I'll probably send the other one over to the OD since she has Orlando while I'm at work. And this looks like some tape. I think this is like some stretch fabric tape or something that I saw. I'm not quite sure, but I do remember looking at some tape. And I also ordered, I know what these are. These are 2 of the bibs that I got in the order that Temu sent me when I did the business collab with them. They are bibs for your baby. The front is plastic. The arms are kind of like mesh a little bit, and it ties behind the back of their neck. So it protects their clothes from all of their foods that they're eating, which is going to be perfect because Orlando will soon have the spoon to himself. So now I have 3 of these. I will keep 2 at my house, and I'll send 1 over with the OD so that she has 1 there as well. And the last item that was in my order is a coin. And I ordered this coin because you guys know I like to scratch off tickets. I love my scratch off tickets. So I ordered this to be kind of like my little lucky coin. And it's in like this plastic case, but I ordered this coin. It says Bitcoin on it, but we know this is not what this is. But this is going to be like my lucky little coin piece that I'm going to use to scratch off tickets. Hopefully I win $500,000. I'm not even trying to be greedy, y'all. 500,000, I'm okay with that. Yeah. So I know this video was all over the place over 2 days. Oh God, y'all. And I know my hair looking crazy because baby Orlando, while I'm trying to put him to sleep, he got the nerve to like to pull in my hair. So yeah. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You can give it a thumbs down if you like. Drop any questions, comments, concerns below. Let your girls know what kind of videos y'all want to see. Y'all want to see me and the baby do something. I cannot wait until he gets big enough so we can actually like do some challenges and stuff. Yeah, come on Orlando, grow up a little bit. So until the next video, rollies. Oh, later.